Today we're looking at this brand new tool from KNIPEX, the BiX, that was originally designed for plumbers.
You never mentioned plumbers.
Well, with plumbers, Gary, we know plumbing these days is incredibly easy because everything's just plastic pipe. You know, they don't do much with copper anymore. If they do, it tends to be push fit. You don't see them thread and steel pipe anymore. So we thought we'd join in the fun and see where we can use this tool with some electrical round-based products, Gary.
Okay, that's what was given to me. I will leave a link in the description to Gordon's personal email address for you plumbers out there who want to reach out to him on a one-to-one basis. So I liked it. I really did like it. I was cutting conduits. I was cutting Flexicon. So do you want to bring the hand cam in to have a look at it?
Closer look at what we've got here.
So first of all, let's just lay it in the hand, and you can see straight away how the fingers match the grip that they've provided for you, like that. And it's locked in position. So imagine I've got it in my toolbox. In order to unlock it, just do simple there, and we can open it out to use it. And it will do diameter of pipe between 20 and 50 mil. So we're right up at 50 mil, which is really good. And you can just see there the cutting blade. And for me, for the conduits that I've been doing in the video, I would have the blade in this position. You can reverse it, and I will reverse it in a minute, but I think the majority of the time it will stay in that position. And when you're thinking of it in that position, you need to make sure you get it to the mark that you've made on the conduit or Flexicon. There are 3 positions. There's one here at the top that says that's dead center, the blue mark back here for dead center, and a little V mark as well. So you've got 3 options to get it in exactly the right position.
Okay, or no excuses not to get it in, so yeah, you've lost that now.
Yeah, and I said the blade can be reversed. We will show an application for reversing, but I'll show you how to reverse it because there's another little hidden surprise as well. So we back off this screw in order that we can flick the blade around. So we take that and then we just pull it away. So you see how easy that came out. And the blade itself can be changed if we undo this screw. And obviously I can just slide that back into position. I'll just pop it back in there, and I can do it up if I wanted the blade on the front edge.
Now, I'm thinking there, Gary, spare blades, do they have to be bought?
Yeah, well, you can buy spare blades, but what's quite nice is you might be able to see in their little hidden compartment.
Oh yeah, secret compartment. Has that got a £5 in there, Gary? Is that where you've been hiding it now?
Nobody takes cash anymore, so if I just back the screw off a little bit more just to make it a little bit easier. Just pull those away, got a little packet there, and we open it out, you've got 2 spare blades.
Oh right, yeah, and you can see that hole where the screw goes to change the blades over.
And again, just whichever way around you want it. I think it's going to be that way around for the most times that electricians are going to be using it. You're going to be popping it in like there, and obviously using it.
Well, that's a pretty simple concept.
Yeah, but well designed. You say simple. I think sometimes simple doesn't mean well designed. That the way it held in my hand, how easy it was to reverse the blade and the little hidden compartment. Nice details.
Well, I guess we'll have to see actually how you got in real life using it on some common electrical materials.
This is the traditional method, over the knee with a junior hacksaw in order to cut your conduit.
A little bit raggy that end, Gary. I think you're going to have to clean that up before the glue goes on.
So in with the BiX, nice squeeze. In this case, I'm twisting the conduit round. You'll notice the conduit's held in the BiX and nice clean end.
It is, yeah, that's good. Okay, here's our favourite, the Flexicon, where, yeah, normally they do have a special cutter for this, but probably not everyone has one.
Look at that, clean as anything, 50 mil ducting.
That was quick.
It was quick, so I'll prove it on the traditional method. Obviously, it's going to take a little bit longer. And again, my old favourite, you're going to have to pick it up off the floor when you get through.
Oh, and the raggy end, yeah.
Absolutely. So precision now, so I want to cut this one so I lose the green marks on white conduit. You don't want a big mark on it. It's 3 positions on here as stated earlier that we can line it up with. So I'm going to bring it in, line it up in the correct position, and you see how precise this one is. I'll get it so that off-cut has the green pen mark on it. Okay. Twist the conduit around.
Twist the conduit, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, but wait, look at that for precision.
Yeah, not bad, Gary.
Thank you very much. And again, nice clean end. We're in with a hockey stick this time, so you can see the meter box around there, so a little bit thicker on the walls, and you'll see I've score round as I go round, and then eventually you'll see a slight difference in it where it gets a little deeper and there, penetrated through, and obviously now I'm breaking through all the way around for clean end.
Wow, and that's quite a hard pipe as well.
That's probably its maximum. Remember, it's 2.4 mil. Change the blade around, we've seen this previously, didn't we? How we pop the blade into a different position. And now I'm just going to try and flush it off against this mimic joist. Maybe this is a case of, you know, I don't know, the cable that's going to pass through this is maybe going through some polystyrene beads.
Dead flush, well, yeah, that's a flush cut.
So let's see it then. I'm going to pull it in, see the blade now, and just compress quite firmly so you can see the blade just pops in. And you just see that cutting motion go around. And again, a nice clean end as we pop it. And again, nothing on the floor, you notice.
So you made that look pretty easy, Gary, but I know you've shown a hacksaw then. Most people are going to be going, oh, well, you'd have a plastic conduit cutter.
Yeah, you would, and they're obviously a lot larger, take a little bit more real estate up in your toolbox. So obviously this is a lot more compact. And also we've done it ourselves and we use those handheld ones for cutting it. Sometimes you get the conduit to fly off in a different direction, where I like the fact that the BiX actually held the part in, so I didn't have to bend down.
Wow, has it got to that now? You don't like bend out to pick up a bit of conduit that's dropped to the floor? Let me demonstrate.
Yeah, got it, yes.
Yeah, I'll just do that. Watch this.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'll do it again.
Yeah, off you go. Well, again, I would like your feedback. Do you like picking stuff off the floor like Gordon does, or do you like it to be held within, in this case, the BiX? We'll hold it in position. You've got the two parts to separate. We're always interested in your feedback on everything we do. Have you currently used this tool from KNIPEX? Are you using the BiX cutter to cut your conduit? Did you realise that it goes all the way up to 50 mil, and you think to yourself, now, well, my conduit cutters I've got only do 20 and 25 mil, and I am working with larger conduits, and therefore this would be ideal. And also, maybe you like the fact that it takes up less real estate. Please leave all those comments below, and Gordon will get back to every single one of them.
Especially if you're a plumber.